My name is Linlin. I'm 38 years old. I'm single with 3 kids. I have live-in partner. My work experience in Saudi Arabia for 6 years domestic helper. My duties there are washing, ironing clothes, marketing, gardening, cooking, car washing, and preparing their foods. I can take care of newborn baby boy, 3 years old baby girl, 5 years old baby boy, and 8 years baby girl. I can take care of pet, dog, and cat. I can dedicating, I'm willing to learn fast living. If you hired me, I'll do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. And I promise to finish my contract and I work with you as long as you need me. I hope you trust me as your helper. God bless and thank you.